22nd April. This day is not just a celebration. Earth is our only home. It gives us everything we need to survive.
बचाओ धरती माँ को रखो clean, cleanest planet ever seen. For all, हम सब साथ. Green habits, every day, every class. Save life, that's our cause. St. Paul's School stands for all. St. Paul's, let's go green. Save Earth, save life, that's our cause. बचाओ धरती माँ को रखो